today I'm just going to show you a quick tutorial on how to do jumbo box braids without using the rubber band method or the crochet method. So these are single box braids, but really big box braids. I do have a video on how I do some box braids, which I did a couple years ago. So if you need a detailed tutorial, I would advise you to check the link above or down below in the description box to watch that video. If you have any questions, please leave them down below and I'll answer them for you. And if you need another tutorial, I'll be glad to film another one. Right? So keep on watching and enjoy. Alright guys, so I want to just say I apologize for not coming back to film an official intro for this video. My hair has been done for 2 weeks and I will say that it kept really well. Just as far as maintenance, I do oil my scalp every few days with this oil right here. Sometimes I do go back in with this product just to lay the front areas. Don't mind if you see any little crusties because I'm about to take these out so I can put in another hairstyle, but that's besides the point. I love this hairstyle specifically for work. And I'm gonna take it down so you can see it as well. They are pretty long. The style took me about, I would say, 4.5 hours to complete. And what I did was, as you see in the clip, I used this contraption right here, and I looked at the thickness of the hair that I wanted so that it's equal on each strand that I use in my head, and I'll just hook it over here just to make the process a bit faster. So I do highly recommend that you get something like this, or you can just hang it on a table or a chair as you go. It makes the process much faster. And with the braiding hair that I used, it was pre-stretched and it came with a bundle of 3, so that was like a lifesaver. Okay, so definitely look into this. I'll leave it down below if you're interested. This style is extremely easy, very beginner friendly,